Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to fix not able to hear anyone on Discord. So if you're looking out how to do so, you may follow up these process for that. So you can go to Discord directly for that, open it up. And once you open it up, you can go to your user settings. So wait for this to load up first and go to your user settings. And after you go to your user settings, go to voice and video section. And within voice and video, under output device, select up your headphones and your speakers and do not leave it on default, very common issue. And check out the sound. If that is it, you can just go over and check by clicking on this. Let's check. And apart from that, what you can do is you can join up a voice channel and leave the voice channel available. And make sure inside here, so go to voice channel, for example, this. So let's just go over here and make sure you're not mute here. And even the volume button is not done. You can check it out. And apart from that, what you can do is you can set Discord output in Windows. So click on the sound icon right here, right click on it, select sound settings, and scroll down to app and volume section for more sound settings, and look out for your speakers and your headphones, and look out for the audio tab here. Usually on the output or input, you can just go over and set up a device such as a headphone or speakers, and Windows sometimes send Discord audio to the wrong device. So you can just go over and check it out as well. And apart from that, you can just go over and disable on audio enhancement. So I click on it, select sound settings, and select the output device right here. And once your output device is selected, look out for the enhancement option. And within enhancement, you can just go over and turn it off. And that should also probably work for you. Apart from that, you can reinstall Discord as well if nothing else works, but those are probably the solutions you can try out. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.